Soft, delicate, and impossibly fragrant. The rose is more than just a flower. Have you ever wondered why this single bloom has captured hearts for thousands of years? From ancient empires to modern cities, it has graced palaces, poems, and passions. Each year, millions are gifted, whispers of love wrapped in petals. But behind every bouquet lies a story of tradition, of science, and of beauty grown with care. Let's uncover the story behind the world's most beloved flower. Did you know that the rose has a history dating back more than 5,000 years? From the ancient gardens of Mesopotamia and Persia to the sacred garlands worn by Roman emperors, the rose has long been a symbol of beauty, power, and reverence. Today, the rose remains a global icon. The red rose is the national flower of the United States, while the Tudor rose carries deep historical meaning in England. Each year, on Valentine's Day, Women's Day, and countless romantic occasions, millions of roses are gifted worldwide as timeless symbols of love and beauty. In open-air farms kissed by sunlight and morning dew, a different kind of rose blooms, the kind destined not for vases, but for perfume. These are damask roses, prized for their intense, velvety fragrance. Delicate, fleeting, and utterly unforgettable. Each morning, just after sunrise, skilled harvesters gently handpick the blossoms at their peak. Why so early? Because that's when their essential oils are most concentrated, a race against time and sun. Once gathered, the petals are weighed and carefully inspected for quality. Only the freshest, most fragrant flowers will make it to the next stage. Here's a surprising fact. It takes over 3,000 kilograms of rose petals, that's millions of individual petals, to produce just a single liter of rose essential oil. A reminder of how rare and precious this substance truly is. The petals are loaded into massive distillation machines, where steam carefully extracts the oil. Drop by drop, the essence of rose is captured, not just its scent, but its soul. Next comes rigorous quality testing. The color, purity, and scent profile must meet exacting standards before moving forward. Finally, the precious oil is bottled, sometimes as pure rose essence, sometimes as a key ingredient in high-end perfumes, cosmetics, skincare, and even wellness products. In vast greenhouses, stretching as far as the eye can see, roses are cultivated with scientific precision. The Netherlands, Kenya, and Ecuador are top rose producers, exporting millions of blooms weekly worldwide. Each morning, skilled workers move swiftly through rows of roses, gently cutting only those that meet exacting standards. These are not just flowers. They are symbols of love, crafted with care. Did you know? Some of the world's largest rose farms harvest over 1 million roses every single day. It's a staggering number, one that reflects humanity's enduring love for this flower. After harvest, the roses begin a fascinating journey. First, they are hand-sorted, each one examined for color, bloom size, and overall condition. It's here that trained eyes spot the difference between beautiful and breathtaking. The leaves near the base of the stem are removed, not just for aesthetics, but to prevent rot in water-filled vases. Next, technology takes over. The roses pass through advanced scanning machines that measure length, stem curvature, bloom diameter, and even check for minor flaws. Every detail matters. Based on these readings, roses are graded and grouped. Then, high-speed binders carefully bundle them into uniform bunches, ensuring consistency for global shipping. Some roses are wrapped by machines, sealed in sleek, moisture-resistant sleeves. Others, especially those destined for luxury markets, are still wrapped by hand, with gentle touches that preserve the natural grace of each bloom. Around the world, on Valentine's Day alone, over 250 million roses are sold in just 24 hours. The global demand is immense. The Netherlands alone exports billions of cut roses annually, while Kenya is the top supplier to Europe. Ever wondered how roses stay fresh after flying 8,000+ miles? Thanks to climate-controlled trucks and cargo holds, blooms from farms in Kenya, Ecuador, or the Netherlands arrive in cities like Tokyo, Paris, and New York, looking flawless, ready to charm. From ancient petals to modern perfumes, the rose remains a timeless symbol of love and beauty. Thanks for watching, and keep blooming with curiosity.